Welcome back, book buddies. Today we are going to read 5 books about farms and tractors. Let's go. This book is called Duggie's Tractor. Let's go. It's autumn and Dougie is ready for the harvest. What's a harvest? Asked Roly. The squirrels remind Roly of all the gardening they did earlier this year. We put little seeds into the ground and covered them with earth and gave them a little bit of water. Then the sun and rain helped all those little seeds to grow into fruit and vegetables. Now everything is ready to be picked. It looks like Dougie could use some help with this year's harvest. Can we help Dougie? Asked the squirrels. Ah-woof. Dougie nods. The squirrels get to work. Roly and Tag dig into the soil and pull up potatoes. This one looks like a duck. Quack, quack. This one looks like Dougie. The squirrels help Dougie harvest lots of crops. Crops are the fruit and vegetables we grow to eat. Finished. Not quite, squirrels. There are lots more crops to be picked across lots more fields. There's more? The squirrels groan. How will we collect all that? Asked Betty. Dougie knows. He has his harvest badge. Look at all those vegetables. We have potatoes and onions. We've got carrots and we have cabbages. We've also got pumpkins and watermelons. Loads and loads. Dougie goes into the barn and drives out on his tractor. It will do the job. Ah-woof. The squirrels hop on. As Dougie drives the tractor, he pulls up all the crops and collects them on a trailer. Ah-woof. Dougie tries to speed up, but the tractor is very slow. The tractor soon starts to overheat before chugging to a complete stop. Oh no, it looks like it's broken down. Can you fix it, Dougie? Suddenly all the animals appear. They want to help Dougie out while Dougie fixes the tractor. We have mice and elephants and sheep and chickens, frogs and cows and rabbits and moles and worms and a horse and a bird and Hedgley the hedgehog. The animals help the squirrels harvest the crops in their own special ways. Slurp, pop, 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 thud. And Betty counts everything up as it's picked. They harvest all kinds of fruit and vegetables. There are so many, it's hard to keep count. Tomatoes, blueberries, apples, strawberries. Everyone works together to create their very own tractor. They dig up and collect every last crop. Soon the harvest is complete. Hooray! We have the mice on the wheel. We've got Roly and Tag. They've got the pumpkins and there's ants, little teeny tiny ants. We have Ethel the elephant and all the sheep are going round, 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 round and they're picking up the pumpkins. And it's going pop. And we've got a cow. And we've got the chickens and the horse, Norrie, Happy, Mole, and there's little worm. Dougie has managed to fix the tractor too. Haven't the squirrels done well today, Dougie? Ah-woof. Look at all those vegetables. We've got strawberries and watermelons and pumpkins. We have cucumbers and onions and potatoes and tomatoes, crates of food, cabbages, and pumpkins. Wowzers. Well done, squirrels. You've earned your harvest badges. Now there's just time for one last thing before the squirrels go home. A Dougie Hug. The end. Peppa at the farm. It's a lift the flap book. Let's go. Peppa and George have come to help Mrs. Badger at the petting farm. Oh, says Mummy Pig, looking round. Where is Mrs. Badger? Mrs. Badger, calls Peppa. Where are you? Look inside the barn, says Mummy Pig. Found you, Mrs. Badger, says Peppa. Hello, my lovelies. Mrs. Badger takes everyone to see the chickens. Now, where have they got to, she says. Chickens, calls Peppa. Where are you? Brum, brum, tractor, shouts George. We're looking for chickens, George, says Peppa, not tractors. Daddy Pig helps George open the tractor door. Well done, George, says Daddy Pig. You found the chickens. Cluck, cluck. After they feed the chickens, Mrs. Badger shows everyone some lovely baby chicks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, she says, one has wandered off. Little chicky chicks, calls Peppa. Where are you? Peppa hears something in the bush. Creep, 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 creep. Found you, cheeky chicky chick, cheers Peppa. Cheep, cheep. Next, Mrs. Badger takes everyone to see the guinea pigs. One guinea pig seems to be hiding, she says. It's all fun and games here at the farm, says Mummy Pig, giggling. Little guinea pig, calls Peppa. Where are you? George spots something inside the hatch. Squeak, 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 squeal. What's inside the hatch? George, you found him, cries Peppa, the wee guinea pig. Thank you for your help today, my lovelies, says Mrs. Badger. Now everyone is where they should be. That was fun, says Mummy Pig. But wait, where's Daddy Pig? Daddy, calls Peppa. Where are you? Peppa and George spot something behind the haystack. Daddy, cry Peppa and George. Daddy Pig chuckles. It really is all fun and games here at the farm, he says. Ho ho! Daddy Pig loves having fun at the farm. Everyone loves having fun at the farm. We have chickens and guinea pigs and little chicks. I can see a little bumblebee and a butterfly. How cool. This book is called Say Goodnight, Little Tractor. Let's go. Little Tractor starts to yawn. Oh. Her busy day is done. It's nearly time for bed. Let's say good night to everyone. Little Tractor chugs along with a happy beep. Can you wave good night to all the watching sheep? Night, night, sheep. She rumbles slowly down the lane. Good night, Scarecrow. Good night, Plough. Can you blow a good night kiss to the mooing cows? Mwah! Night, night, cows. The stars are shining bright. Watch them twinkle in the sky. Can you oink good night to the piglets in the sty? Oink, oink. Good night, piglets. Little Tractor spots the barn. Her engines start to quicken. Can you whisper good night to the sleepy, fluffy chickens? Good night, chickens. Little Tractor in the barn turns off her bright headlights. Slowly rock her back and forth. Cuddle her good night. Good night, Little Tractor. Night, night, everyone. Old MacDonald's Farm, a peep-through book. Let's go. Grandpa is taking JJ to the farm. Point to the animals that say oink oink. The piggy says oink oink. Horse goes neigh. Sheep go baa. Cows go moo. Chickens go cluck cluck. And ducks go quack quack. Yes, it's a pig. Oink oink. It has a curly tail. Point to the animal that says baa baa. We know this. The sheep goes baa baa. That's right. It's a sheep. Baa baa. It has soft, fluffy coat. Look how fluffy that sheep looks. And his little piggy saying hello. Point to the animal that says moo moo. We know this. The cow says moo. It's a cow. Moo moo. It has black and white spots. And it has a green bell. The cows have black and white spots. We say, hello, sheep. Point to the animal that says, neigh, neigh. The horse says neigh. You've got it. It's a horse. Neigh, neigh. It has a long mane and a tail. There's the mane and the horse's tail. And who's this? It's the cow going moo, moo. Point to the animal that says cluck, cluck. The chicken says cluck, cluck, cluck. Yes, it's a chicken. Cluck, cluck. The chickens have laid some eggs. Wow. There's one little animal left to meet. It's a baby duckling. Quack, quack, quack. Oh, very good. I'd like to hear about all the animals. Do you know the song, Old MacDonald Had a Farm? Let's see if we can sing it. It goes, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a oink oink here and a oink oink there. Here a oink, there a oink, everywhere a oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there. Here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Yay! Farm heroes. Let's go. Today, Farmer Yumi needs some help on her farm, so Sky and Alex have come to feed the animals. Farmer Yumi leaves Sky in charge. Sky will keep an eye, shouts Sky. But Alex lets the animals out of the barn and jumps on Patina. Whee! This is fun, he calls. The animals are running away. Oh no, they're heading into town, says Sky. I better call Ryder. The pups head to the lookout. Paw Patrol, ready for action, Ryder sir, says Chase. Chase, I'll need you to safely herd the animals, Ryder says. Rubble, I'll need you to build a safe area to put the animals in, Paw Patrol is on a roll. The pups head into town. Rubble makes a barrier out of hay bales, and Chase uses cones to guide the animals. "Great work, guys," calls Ryder. "And not a moment too soon. Here they come." It worked. The animals run straight into the safe area. But Bettina is startled when a balloon pops and she runs away. "I never knew animals could be so fast," shouts Alex as he's carried away. Ryder calls Sky. "I could use some air support," he says. "Ready to help," replies Sky. "Let's take to the sky." She follows Alex and Bettina, then uses her grappler to lift Alex up. But Bettina jumps off the jetty and into the ocean. "Oh no," shouts Sky. "Is Bettina going to be okay?" "It's okay," calls Farmer Yumi, joining the team on the jetty. "She loves to swim." There she is, swimming away. Look how happy she is. "Chase told me what happened," said Farmer Yumi. "Thanks for rounding up my animals." "It's okay," replies Ryder. "Whenever you have a problem, just yelp for help." The end. Thank you very much for joining me again today. Do come back so we can read more books together. Please like and subscribe. Bye.